Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will be solving one of the SQL interview question that has been asked to me. Okay, so let's understand this question. And the question goes, we have to write the query to get details of all employees which falls under that manager who has maximum number of employees working under them in a company. So we have been given one input table in which employee ID, name, salary and manager ID is given, and based on this condition we have to generate output. So what is the meaning of it? The meaning is very simple, that in a company there can be many manager and there can be many employee working under that manager. Okay, so let's understand this question and see the approach. Okay, so uh, I have just break it down. We have the manager ID 2 and it has two employee working under him. Okay, and manager ID 4 has four employee working under him, and manager ID 6 has only two employee working under him. Okay, so the maximum of 2, 4 and 2, the count, we have to get the count of all employee working under each manager, and we have to get the details of all those employee which has the maximum number of people working under that particular manager. Okay, so as we can see, we have four employee, that is maximum 242. The maximum will be 4. So we have to generate this output. Okay, so the output is given here. Okay, so the condition will be, we have to count the employee working under each manager, and based on the counting we can assign the rank. Okay, and then we can fetch the data based on uh, that rank. Okay, so I will just go to the SQL server to solve this query. Okay, so this is the table. I have already created the SQL script. Okay, I will provide this in the description. Okay, so that you can download from there and try it. Now we have to count each employee, count of employee ID working under each manager. Okay, let's give it as alias, and we have to group it by manager ID. Okay, manager underscore ID. Okay, sorry, this is the, let's assume we are just including the case where the manager ID is not null. Okay, so we get the count for each manager. Okay, now based on this counting we can assign the ranking, and to assign the rank I am using the dense rank. Okay, ordered by this count of employee ID descending, and we can give it as some alias, manager highest RNK rank. Okay, and now we can see the query. We have to get the details of all the employees which falls under this manager because it has the highest number of employee kind. Now we can save this result in one CT. Okay, now select star from that employees info where manager ID in. Now we have to use the in command here because there might be a possibility that there are multiple managers which has the maximum number of count. Okay, so equal to won't work, equal to will give error. Now we have to select the manager ID from that CT where this ranking equal to 1. Okay, Now when we select this query, it will give the desired output. So I will just use both the query. Okay, this is the input and this is the output, as you can see in the table. So we have achieved the result. Thank you. Let me know in the comments if you have any doubts. Okay.